Hey there, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of electric bikes with the Himiway Zebra, a robust fat tire e-bike designed to conquer any terrain. I've spent weeks putting this bike through its paces, so let's break down everything you need to know. The Himiway Zebra isn't your average electric bike. With its powerful 750W motor and oversized 26 by 4-inch fat tires, this beast is built for adventure. Whether you're cruising through city streets, hitting the trails, or braving the elements, the Zebra promises durability and performance. Let's start with the design. Crafted from aerospace-grade 6061 aluminum, the Zebra boasts a sturdy frame that can handle a hefty payload. Those fat tires aren't just for show, they provide exceptional traction on sand, gravel, and even snow, making this bike a true all-terrain vehicle. The LCD display is your command center, offering real-time data like speed, distance traveled, and battery life. With a 48 volts 20Ah battery pack, the Zebra promises an impressive range, allowing you to explore up to 80 miles on a single charge. What about performance? I've taken the Zebra through urban environments and off-road trails, and it handles beautifully in both scenarios. The 7-speed Shimano drivetrain provides smooth shifting, while the half-twist throttle offers precise speed control. During my tests, I tackled everything from muddy paths to icy roads, and the Zebra didn't disappoint. The integrated motor delivers up to 86 Nm of torque, effortlessly assisting with pedaling and powering through tough terrain. Charging the Zebra is a breeze with its removable battery, and it's equipped with a built-in headlight and brake light for added safety during night rides. Assembling the Zebra was straightforward, thanks to its mostly pre-assembled components. It took me less than an hour to put everything together, although installing the front wheel required a bit of adjustment. So, should you consider the Himiway Zebra? If you're looking for a reliable, versatile e-bike that can handle any adventure you throw at it, this could be your perfect match. Just keep in mind its weight and size when storing or transporting it. That wraps up our review of the Himiway Zebra. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.